Between 1830 and 1850, approximately 100,000 Native Americans were forced to abandon their ancestral homelands in the southeastern United States and relocate to Indian Territory in present-day Oklahoma. The relocation, known as the Trail of Tears, was a result of the Indian Removal Act of 1830, signed into law by President Andrew Jackson. The Cherokee Nation challenged the act in court, but their efforts were unsuccessful. As a result, the Cherokee and other tribes were forcibly removed from their homes and marched westward on foot, with thousands dying from disease, hunger, and exposure along the way. The Trail of Tears was a devastating and tragic event in American history, forever altering the lives of Native American tribes and their descendants. Today, it serves as a reminder of the destructive effects of forced assimilation on indigenous people.